Are you tired of looking for effective ways to lose that stubborn belly fat at home? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I will guide you through 5 simple, yet powerful exercises to help you achieve a flat stomach in just 1 month, right from the comfort of your home. And wait till you see exercise number 5. It's a real game changer. Let's dive right in with number 1, ab crunches. This classic move is about targeting your rectus abdominis, your six-pack area. But that's not all. We can also engage the obliques and lower abs by adding variations like bicycle crunches and reverse crunches. Make sure to perform 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Here's how you do it right. Moving on to number 2, the plank. Simple yet brutal, the plank doesn't just burn calories. It builds core strength and improves your overall posture. Hold this position for 30 to 60 seconds per set. Remember, keeping your body in a straight line is critical in activating all the right muscle groups. Next up, number 3, mountain climbers. This dynamic move is excellent for your abs, legs, and cardiovascular health. Aim for 3 sets of 20 to 40 seconds. Keep the pace up to maximize fat burning. Number 4, jumping jacks. This full-body aerobic exercise increases your heart rate and burns calories fast. Do 3 sets of 40 to 60 seconds. Make sure your movements are significant and controlled. And finally, number 5, burpees. I promised a game changer, and here it is. This intense exercise combines a squat, jump, and push-up into one powerful movement for maximum calorie burn. Perform 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. It's challenging, but incredibly effective for burning fat and boosting your metabolism. Incorporate these exercises into your daily routine, and you'll be amazed at the transformation in your body and energy levels. Remember, consistency is key. That said, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Every bit of support helps us bring more content to help you reach your fitness goals. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.